It's okay. Just roll over. No, it's okay. What? 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 Baby, just go over. Brayden. What? What? Did you say mama? Did you say mama? What kind of cry is that? Oh, Brayden. Are you fake crying? Are you fake crying? It's a very fake cry. Oh, Brayden. Just roll over then. Just roll over then. You can do it. Oh, Brayden. Roll over. Is that even a real cry? You're just blowing raspberries. What? 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 Oh. You were looking to see if I'm going to pick you up? Brayden, you're not even really crying. You just keep checking to see if I'm going to get you. What?